Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 10.3 question number 8. Let us solve question number 8. Here question number 8 is can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices? Here it is given that number of faces that is equal to f is equal to 10. Number of vertices that is equal to v is equal to 15, and number of edges is equal to e is equal to 20. Right? Now we'll check Euler's formula. According to Euler's formula is f plus v a plus b minus e is equal to 2. Right? Let us check whether we are getting this value or not. Let us check a plus b minus c, that is left hand side. Left hand side is equal to a plus v, f plus v minus e. Number of faces is equal to 10 plus number of vertices is equal to 15, and number of edges is 15 and number of edges is 20. Therefore we are getting 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. 25 minus 20. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. 5. But 5 is not equal to 2. 5 is not equal to 2. 5 is not equal to 2. Therefore, Euler's formula is not verified. Therefore, you can say such a polyhedron is not possible. So you can say, such polyhedron is not possible. Right? Here Euler's formula is not verified because a plus b minus t is not equal to 2, it is 5, and 5 is not equal to 2. Therefore we can say that Euler's formula is not verified. Therefore we can say that such polyhedron is not possible. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.